Y'all look, I kept it. I don't like the snowman, but it goes with my theme, so it's okay. Like the peppermint, the red, all of that. I don't like the snowman. I don't. But it's whatever. It's whatever. It's still cute. I want to put like wrap on my door, but we're literally like 8 days out from Christmas. Maybe not. I don't know. But it's cute. My peppermint house. Also, I just left Starbucks. I got 3 drinks because the other ones, I feel like it was just like a repeat. Like they had a iced mocha and then a hot mocha. Then they had a hot chocolate and then this chocolate. I feel like it was just like repeats of stuff, like, but made differently. So I just got 1 of each. Okay, because Starbucks is not cheap. Okay, okay. So I'm at Dunkin' Donuts now. So I'm gonna get the holiday blend coffee. So here they only got 3 holiday drinks, which like Starbucks really only had 3. They just was like repeating it. Okay. And so yeah, I'm just gonna get the twisted white. What's this one? White mocha hot chocolate. Oh, this one is peppermint, and that one's not peppermint. I don't want peppermint. That's nonsense. I'm gonna just get regular. Yeah, I'm gonna just get regular. I don't want peppermint. I already got like 2 peppermint drinks. I gotta hurry up, my stuff's melting. And then the avocado toast. Oh, you ate it out.
Take your order.
Hi, can I get a the twisted white chocolate iced signature latte small?
We don't carry white chocolate anymore.
Okay, do you have, oh, so do you not have the white mocha hot chocolate?
No.
So do you have any of your holiday drinks or no?
No.
Okay, thank you.
Sorry.
Something told me to just go home and just be satisfied. Let me roll this up because it is freezing. Something told me to just go home and just be satisfied with Starbucks. Something told me. But I was just like, I only got 3 drinks. That's not enough. Like, I feel like I should have had like 6 or something like that. Something told me just go home. Like, why are you advertising your holiday drinks if you don't have your holiday drinks? Okay, see, that's why I only go to Dunkin's with my nieces and nephews. That's why I don't go to Dunkin's, because how is it we only 8 days out and you don't serve your holiday drinks no more? At least go to the 25th. Or the 24th. Let me just go home. Let me just go home. Okay? Let me just go home because hell, it is the 16th or the 17th. How are you already out of your holiday drinks? It's fine. I'm just gonna be happy with what I get. And we're just gonna go home, make this video. See you when we get home.